Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to make another Gmail account. So if you want to use a website, you need to firstly open your preferred browser. Mine is Safari, and then you need to type this link accounts.google.com/sign up, or you can just search on Google create new Gmail account, and here you can create a Google account, but if you use application, you need to firstly open your application, and then you need to click your icon in your upper right corner, and then you need to press add another account button. Then you want to choose the option by which you want to set up your new email. For example, if it's Google, click continue button. And here you can sign in or create account. We want to create an account, so we press, and here Gmail asks me if I will use my new Gmail account for my personal use or for work or my business. It's completely up to you. For example, for my personal use. And here's the same page as on the website. You see, it's completely the same. So enter your first name and last name. Click next button. Then you need to fulfill some basic information. You need to enter yours, but I will enter some random stuff, and then you need to select your gender and click next button. Then you want to create a Gmail address. For example, it will be like this. But of course, don't type this name. You need to create a new Gmail address name, and then click next button. So you need to enter your new email address without this gmail.com. Gmail informs me that my username is taken. It can happen to you. And then Gmail suggests me another username. I can try some of these, or I can just create another, but I will use this, and then click next button. And then you need to create a strong password to your new Gmail account. Your password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And so let me create a strong password. Okay, so when you created your password, you need to click next button. And then you can save your password to your iPhone by clicking save button, but I won't doing it. And then you can add your phone number. If you have, here you can select your country, and here eventually type your phone number, but it's an optional thing, and I can skip this step. And then you need to review your account information by clicking next button. And then you need to choose the your settings, so you can choose in one step. It means that you make a single choice that applies to all settings, or you can choose in 4 steps. That means make step-by-step choices for each setting, but it's easier to choose in one step, of course, and then click next button. Choose your settings. You need to accept all. Confirm your settings, scroll down and click confirm button. And then you need to accept privacy and terms, click I agree button. And now you see that we have created new Gmail address. We have added another Gmail address. So that's basically it. I hope you'll find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.